snapping turtle. He's going, give me a worm or something. He don't want these things. See him? He's looking up at me.
Yeah.
That's a snapper. And he says, throw me a hot dog or something. Gosh.
No, that's good for them.
No, he doesn't eat things. He's very carnivorous.
Oh.
These other guys eat everything.
Where are they? Come on. Aren't you guys cute? Oop. It's not over till the Cheerios run out. Oop. Hey, guy. Hey, guy.
And here's one out here waiting. There you go, good buddy.
Oh.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. You're... What? Where'd he go? Oh, here comes one. Right there.
There's Big Snacky down here.
Whoa.
See how far out he can put his net? Now there's
Oh,
a
this
painted turtle.
Wait,
right in front of him's a painted turtle.
So this guy, let's see. Oh, I'm sweating. Hold on. Okay. Now.
He doesn't eat.
There he is. Is that the big?
That's the big one. That's a snapping. The one over here with little stripes on his back is a painted turtle, because I could see the red on the edge. Cool.
Mr. Snappy.
You remind us to bring something for him.
Yeah. Where are you going? You going under?
Especially a piece of fish sandwich or something.
Food's
or
gone.
what he wants.
He's waiting for some more food. Nope, he's given up too.
He comes all the way over here, and all we do is feed him stuff that he doesn't like.
Well, honey, we'll have to bring some.
Maybe cat food. He don't like
cat food.
Cool. I like them.
Okay, turtles. Oh, what you gonna do? Oh, you're looking at me. I'm not the food lady. Where's... So pretty out here.